Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot send messages due to this user's privacy settings. So guys, if you are trying to send messages on TikTok to someone but you are unable to send messages and you get the pop-up that cannot send messages due to this user's privacy settings, here I will show you whether you can send messages to that person or not, or how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the reason for this problem is that the privacy settings are allowed on TikTok, and if someone sets the privacy to receive messages from everyone, then everyone will be able to send him direct messages on his TikTok account. So guys, here you can see the direct messages privacy settings, and if he sets the privacy to suggested friends, then the suggested friends will be able to send him messages directly on TikTok. And if he sets the privacy to receive the messages from friends, then the friends of that account will be able to send messages to him. And if he sets the privacy to no one, then no one will be able to send him messages directly on TikTok. So guys, basically this is the privacy settings which allows users of TikTok to receive or reject the messages that can be sent to him on his account. So guys, there is no other problem in TikTok to send messages to other accounts. So guys, if the privacy is on, then you will not be able to send messages to anyone on TikTok. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.